welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe for more lifestyle tips. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a protein shake in less than 2 minutes, okay? So the first step is to have your protein. You can have any protein of your choice. This is my favorite. It's called Tone It Up. So you want to have your protein, almond milk or any type of milk that you prefer. I use almond milk because it's healthier. I also add some cocoa powder to it. This is organic. My protein's organic as well, so it's super healthy. So I add these three. Drink these after your workout or before. Once again, subscribe. You guys have a lovely afternoon, day, morning, whatever it is. Bye.